Yesterday we have done question 1. Good morning, Sarthak. Karthik Bharadwaj. Okay, let's see. Okay, yesterday we did this question 1 on cassettes, where we learned how to make a pie chart of given data. So whenever we want to make a pie chart, we need to understand what we can relate between the question and the pie chart. If it is degree, you have to relate total with the total degree. If it is percentage, you have to relate that also. Okay, so let's understand question number 2 today. This was your homework. I hope you have done it. Still, let's see. It is saying a group of 360 people. 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from three seasons, that is rainy, winter and summer. So we got these votes. Some said 90, 120 and 150. Now they are saying which season got the most votes. Please tell me which season got the most votes. Winter got the most votes. Even I also like winter because in winters we don't have sweat, है ना? So that is cool to be in winter. Now, second thing, find the central angle of each sector. We have to understand now how to relate number of people with angles. We have to understand, Joel, that how to relate this central angle and this number of people. Very easy. We can relate one thing, that total number of people is 360 and total angle is how much? Yes, class? Total number of people is 360 and total number of angle is also. So in this case, it is very easy for us to do because no division at all. Because one people equal to 1 degree. Very easy question. Let's see. Second part, we can say total number of people will be equivalent to total angle. And we all know total or complete angle is how much? We all know total or complete angle is actually 360 degree. So we can say total number of people given to us is 360 people is same as 360 degree. Now we can relate and we can find a relation between people and angle. So that is, I can write this as 360 into 1 people is equal to simple unitary method. So we have got 1 people or 1 person, sorry, is equal to 360 upon 360. That is 1 degree. So 1 person is equivalent to 1 degree on the pie chart. So we have found the place of 1 person on the pie chart. It is equivalent to 1 degree. So very easy. Now the central angle will be how much? For summer, the central angle will be, please class tell, what will be the central angle for summer? Very easy. There are 90 votes. So it will be 90 into 1 degree. That is 90 degree. Vardhan saying 60. Why beta Vardhan? Why 60? Why beta? Why Vardhan? By mistake. Okay, sorry beta. Now we have next rainy season. Again same thing. 120 degree. Winters 150 degree. I hope the third part you can do on your own. Draw a pie chart. All of you please tell, are you able to use protector on your own? It is very simple. First draw one radius OA and then keep compass on that and measure the angle. After that, on the next line, keep the protector, measure the next angle, and finally the last one. It is very easy. Okay? It is very easy. It is very easy for you to do. I can't do or I can't demonstrate on here. That's why I'm telling you to do. Okay? Now, this question was very easy. Now let's see question number 3. I need your help in this question because I feel it is a little bit tough for me. The question is, draw a pie chart for the following information. So you gave this in homework. Yes, beta. Yesterday I gave you this in homework. So just discussing it. Okay, today's homework is, I guess, full exercise now. So then in that case, I will be leaving on you only the questions. One second, let me check. Today's homework is Where is that? Today homework is complete exercise 5.2. Okay. Then I will be just giving you some hints and you will do it on your own because it is a homework. You have 2 days also to do. Now see, draw a pie chart. Yes, but it is not difficult. Thank you for this. Now see, the table shows this thing. We have 36 people, out of which they have some colors preference. 18 have preference of blue, 9 have green, 6 have red, 3 have yellow. Now tell me, to draw a pie chart, what will you compare first? To draw a pie chart, what will you compare first? Number of people equal to complete angle. Very good, Rudra. Very good, beta. You will compare total number of people and total angle. Yes. So you can say by the definition of other, but you say by our knowledge, we can say total number of people is same as complete angle. So we are comparing people with angle. So we got there are 36 people is equal to how much angle? 360 degree. So one person is equal to 360 upon 360, that is 1. Sorry, my mistake. In flow I did the mistake. It is not 360 upon, it is 36 only. 1 second. Okay, so we have 360 upon 36. It will be 36 ones are 36 tens are. So we have got one person is equivalent to 10 degree. Now this will help me to find all the angles and then plot on the pie chart. I hope you can do this on your own. Okay, this is very easy. Now question number 4, again I am giving you a hint so that you can solve on your own. Okay, now leave what we have done. Let's discuss question number 4. Again, read the question properly. If you read question properly, half of the question is done. Okay, now let's see. The adjoining pie chart, 1 second, let me make it full screen. The adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in examination by a student. A student is there who has scored some marks in some subjects, and the marks are in Hindi, English, mathematics, social science, and science. So already given to us a pie chart. This is a reverse thing. Till now they were giving us data and we were making pie chart. Now they have changed the scenario. They have given us a pie chart. They want data from us. Let's see. If total marks obtained by students were 540. So if total marks were 540, answer the following question. In which subject did students score 105 marks? Before that, let's understand what we will relate. What will we relate? Please tell me what will we relate in these two data, the angles and the marks. What will we relate? Please tell fast. Yes, try. Okay, very good, Rachit. Krishna, good beta. Sarthak done the division also, good beta. Very good. Good, Joel. So we have to understand the pie chart given to us, total angle is 360 degree. The marks, nothing is given to us, but total is given, that is 540. So we can relate this 540 marks with this complete angle and we can got this angle in terms of marks. Okay, let's write that. No, beta, number of students is not equal to Hiteshri. It is number of marks. Total marks equal to total angle. Okay, Hiteshri. There are 540 students. No, there are 540 marks. Got it? Hiteshri. Okay. Now see. Let's start. We can say, yes. Okay. Total marks is equivalent to complete angle. By comparison, we can say this thing. Now, we have to understand which we want in unitary method. Okay. Before that, I can say 540 marks is equal to 360 degree. Now you tell me one thing. We want value of 1 degree or 1 mark. Please tell me fast. What do we want? Value of 1 degree or 1 mark? 1 mark, Hiten saying, no, beta, no, I guess no. No. This time things have changed. Given to us is all the values in degrees. We want to find the marks. So we need to find value of 1 degree. Question is changed. There are two kind of questions in chocolates. If 10 rupees you can buy one chocolate, in 100 rupees you can buy how many? Then question is changed. If one chocolate is bought for 10 rupees, then 10 bought for how many? So you are changing the variables. You need to understand which quantity to be made 1. You have to understand which quantity to be made 1. In this case, all the numbers, all the subjects are given in degrees. So we need to find value of 1 degree as marks. Okay? Hiten, I hope you got this now. We don't need 1 marks equal to how many degree. We want 1 degree equal to how many marks. Okay? Now let's see. We can write this 360 degree as, we can write this as 360 into 1 degree is equal to 540 marks. Finally, we can say 1 degree is same as 540 upon 360 marks. If we solve it, we get 6 6 are, 6 9 are, 3 2 are, 3 3 are. 3.2 or 1.5 we can say. Let's take it 3.2 only. Okay, don't go to decimal. Jishan, okay, you can take decimal, no issue, but you can take fraction also. Okay, Harshul saying please repeat. Harshul, the thing is we have equated total number of marks and total angle. Okay, Harshul, we have equated total marks, that is 540 is equal to 360 degree angle. The question comes, what do I want? I want 1 mark equal to how many degree, or I want 1 degree equal to how many marks? Okay, Harshul, the question that is in my mind is, what to be made 1, marks or degree? So I thought that everything is given to me in degrees. Everything is given to me in degrees, so I need to find value of 1 degree. Sir, will we not take 540 to that side? Okay, Rachit, that is also possible. Let me tell you. Okay, don't worry. If you do it that way, what will happen? You will say 540 marks. Rachit, see what will happen. 360 degree. If you make it like this, 540 into 1 mark is equal to 360 degree, then 1 mark equal to 360 upon 540 degree. So you have got 1 upon 2. 1 mark equal to 1 upon 2 degree. But the thing is, you didn't require this. You required in 1 degree how many marks. So what you can do is, you can make it to this side. It becomes, one second, some mistake is there. No, it is not 1 by 2. It is 2 by 3, I guess. Yes, it is 2 by 3. Okay. So we have got this, Rachit, we have got this, but the thing is, we don't know other marks. We know only degrees. So we have to make 1 as degree. Okay. यूनिटरी मेथड में आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि किस क्वांटिटी को 1 बनाना है. In unitary method, you have to understand which quantity you have to make 1, degree या marks. ये डिपेंड करता है क्वेश्चन के ऊपर. Question is in degrees completely. Your marks in science is in degrees. Your marks in maths is in degrees. So you want value of 1 degree equal to how many marks? Okay. I hope, Rachit, now you got this. Why I have made 1 degree equal to how many marks? Rachit, please confirm. Rachit. Okay, good beta. Now let's see. We have got that 1 degree equal to 3 upon 2 marks. Now it is very easy for me to find other marks. Let's start. First, let me rub this. So always try to understand what you are doing. Don't just copy what I am doing. Okay. If you understand, it will be very easy for you to understand the concepts which are tough in future. One second, let me take the pen. Okay, now let's start. It is asking in which subject you have marks 105. Let's leave it. Let's start doing every subject. So that means in Science, we have how many marks? We have 80 degree. 80 degree is same as 80 into 3 upon 2. That will be 40 into 3, that is 120 degree. Now you tell me how much marks in Hindi? Please tell me fast. How much marks in Hindi? It is 70 degree. Okay, Yash, Aryan, so we have got the answer that in that case. Hindi is the answer. Let's see. Ananya, why 120 beta? Okay, you are telling the last case. Okay, let's see. We can write the 70 degree as 70 into 3 by 2 marks. So we are converting degree to marks. It becomes 2 35s and 35 3s is how much? 105 marks. So we have got the answer of first part, that is Hindi. Hindi is the answer of first part. In which subject you have got 105 marks? Hindi. First answer we have got. Now tell me the second part is how many more marks? How many more marks were obtained by student in mathematics? Okay, in mathematics, let's find the marks. Please tell me how much marks he has got in mathematics. 90 into 3 upon 2, 45 into 3 is how much? 135. Okay, so 135 is more than 105 by how much? 30. Very good, Krishna. So 30 marks more in mathematics. Very good. So I hope all of you are getting the concept of pie chart and how it is helpful for us. Very good, Ananya, Joel, all of you are getting this. Vardhan, Yash, Rachit. Sir, in third part, can we only add degrees of to tell the answer? Let me see, beta. It is saying examine whether sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than science and Hindi. Just study central angle. Okay. In this case, they are telling you to find or to compare only. They don't want marks from you. So just by comparing angles also you can get the answer. So first tell me what is the angle corresponding to mathematics and science? Sir, please explain science part. Okay. Science part, I guess you are saying the first part, na? Kablin, which part? Better science part? First part, second part, third part? You are saying? Okay, Sarthak saying how we get 35. 1 second. I'm telling beta, wait 1 second. First, Kavleen, what you are saying, beta? Which part you are saying? Kavleen. Kavleen, which part, beta? Fast. Please respond. Not responding, Kavleen. Okay, see. Science subject. Okay. Okay, I'm revising again. What we have done total marks equal to total degree. From there, I found 1 degree is equivalent to 3 upon 2 marks or 1.5 marks. Okay. After that, I have found marks for science. Science is, oh, okay, science is here. Science is 80 degrees. Yes, beta, it is a degree mark, na? Given to, oh, sorry, my mistake. It is marks. Sorry, beta. So 80 degrees same as 80 into 3 by 2 marks. So I've cancelled it. 2 40s are 80 and 43s are 120. Similarly, in Hindi, I have found 70 into 3 by 2, that is 35 3s are 105 marks. In 15, okay, it is correct. Okay, here also I written degree. Beta, maybe due to age, I'm doing all these things. So, pardon me for this. My apologies. You don't do this mistake. When you have converted it, the unit should be marks. Thank you, Joel. So we can simply add the digits and check. Yes, beta. Can I record in my computer for easy reference? And don't worry, everything is there on my YouTube channel. You can find from there. Okay. Now see, in the last part, it is saying examine whether sum of marks obtained in SST and mathematics. Please tell me the angle for SST plus mathematics. Please tell me the angle of SST plus mathematics. 155. Very good. So you can see in mathematics we have 90 degree. In SST we have 65 degree. When you add them, it becomes 90 plus 65, degree, that is 5, and 9 plus 6 is 15. 155 degree. And tell me now, we have to compare with science and Hindi. Please tell me the marks in science and Hindi in degrees. In science and Hindi, please tell me fast. Okay, answers are coming. 150, 150. Okay, 120 Sarthak, 135 Aryan. How this can happen? In science and Hindi, we have 80 and 70. It is simply 150. 80 plus 70 is 150. है ना? So let's write 80 plus 70 is 150 degree. I hope all of you got this now. So we have compared that degree measure of SST plus mathematics is more by 5 degree. That means it is more. Don't worry about it, कोई बात नहीं. So we can say we have examined that marks in SST and mathematics is more than this science and Hindi. You can do by finding marks also, no issue, but you can do by angle also for easy. Okay, I hope all of you got this. Yes, sir, math is more than science and Hindi, but better we are combining na, we are combining maths and SST. Question is saying you have to compare maths plus SST with science plus Hindi. Okay, Kabli. Now I hope you can do the remaining question of this exercise on your own. Yes, class. Do you have any doubts? I can explain then, or I will move to next topic. I hope you all can do this. Okay, so let's move to the next topic. No doubts, Harshul. Go very good, beta. Sir, please go to, okay. Beta, we can compare in degrees also, Yashna. You have your choice. You can do in question 3 table. Okay, 1 second. I will take. No doubts, Kriti. Very good. Joel saying question number 3 table. Please explain that. Sir, please explain Hindi. Okay. Please see again. Hindi is 70 degree. Hindi is 70 degree. If you want to find the marks, we can say it is same as 17 to 1 degree. And we know the value of 1 degree is 3 by 2 marks. Samarth, we know 1 degree is 3 by 2 marks. You can cut it like this: 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, and 35 3s are 105 marks. That's it. Samarth, as easy as that. We just multiplied with the value in marks. Okay. Now Joel was saying question number 3 table. Where is question number 3 table? Let's see. Let me explain that. Okay, this table you are saying. Okay, 1 second. Nothing is there in the table, Joel. It is saying draw a pie chart showing the following information. What is the information? The table shows colors preferred by a group of people. So suppose I ask in your class which color you like. 18 said blue, 9 said green, 6 said red, and 3 said yellow. That's it. That is the table. I hope you got this now. Joel, what else you want to see? No, sir. In the cloud one. Okay. In the cloud one, they are giving you the, what you say, hint, which you don't need. In the cloud one, they are giving you the hint. For hint, I am with you. Why you need the cloud? Okay. For the hints, I am here, na. You don't need the cloud. Don't go to the cloud. Just remain on the land. Okay. Now let's see. Joel, now you got. Okay. Now see. What is the next topic we have? Next topic is, I guess, probability, I guess, na? Now we have done probability in last class also. So we should just take a look. What is chance and what is probability? Anyone who has any idea about probability? What is probability? Please tell. I am leaving the question of 8 this 5.2 on you. Okay, you will do on your own, and if doubts you will ask me. Now tell me, what do you know about probability? Occurrence. chance of happening things. Okay, Harshal, good. Chances of occurrence, Joel. Okay. So we always probability is chances of occurrence. Okay. Number of chances we can get. Okay, Rachit, good. The thing is, there are some events in our life which we can't be sure what is going to happen. Okay, in our life there are many events which we can't predict what is going to happen. So suppose you have a dice. Suppose you have a dice, not of Shakuni one, but a real dice, a unbiased dice. So in that case, if you roll it, would you know which number will come? Can you predict? Frequency of something happening. Okay, little bit close. So you can't predict or you can't be confirmed which number will come. So what you do, you make a probability for that. If there are chances, you will say the chances of 1 occurring is 1 upon 6, chances of 2 occurring is 2 upon 6, and so on. Okay, so similarly in the case of rain, we can never say, because God has never shared his timetable with us, so we can never say today is going to rain or not. We only can predict as using the last data that we are having. The chapter data handling is helping us to predict what is going to happen, but we can never be sure. We can be very close to the correct value, but we can never be sure. So that's why the department that is giving us today it is rain, today it will rain. Sorry, they say today it may rain. They never say today it will rain, because they are not confirmed, but they have their data which is saying the chances of rain today is maximum. Okay, so that's why they do that thing. Probability can only be of die only. No, Yashna, it can be with coin also. In coin also you can't predict. In whatever thing you can't predict the correct value, there you can use probability. Okay, yes, Harshul, good. Now in the case of coin, in the case of dice, in the case of playing cards, we can use the concept of probability. Today we're just doing a overview of probability. Okay, okay, Shaurya saying आज जोरदार बारिश हो सकती है. Okay, but try to write this in English. Okay, now 9 minutes left. Ananya saying, okay Ananya, don't worry, after 5 minutes we will be having that session of talking. Now what is this? Let's see. Probability. Before probability we have to understand what is experiment, what is event. So we have some experiments. They don't say okay, sorry, yes, they never say this thing. They just say it may rain today. Okay, now they say the chances of precipitation is high, like 90%. Now what is experiment? Rolling of a die, it is a experiment. Rolling tossing of a coin, it is a experiment. You are doing some experiments. What is the chance of 3 coming on the die? It is same, Rachit. Every number is having equal chances. There are 6 numbers, all have equal chances, until and unless it is a biased dice. In Mahabharata serial, you must have heard of it, that this Shakuni was using a dice in which it was biased. Whatever number he thinks, it was coming on that dice. So it is a case of that. But in normal case, yes, Harshul. But in normal case, the dice is having equal outcomes, equal probable outcomes. So 1 can come 1 by 6 times, 2 can come 2 by 6 times. So everything is same. Okay, sir, I am seeing. Okay, yes, okay. Okay, these are all our, what do you say, Purans, and you should see all this. Gita, I'm saying 3 minutes left. Okay, class, time is less. Let's open, switch on the cameras.